Good morning, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 2, Week 4, Day 1. Our topic for today is retelling stories, predicting endings, and identifying elements. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good day, class. Today is Great Learning Day. I know you are all excited to learn new things. So let's start. Can you answer the riddle? Correct. The right answer is malunggay. Who eats malunggay? What dishes does your mom prepare with malunggay? Name other products that use malunggay as an ingredient. Lesson Purpose Intention. Today, you will read a narrative poem about the malunggay tree. Take note of the important elements in the poem and try to predict the possible endings of the text. Be sure to focus on key details as you read. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Reading the key idea stem. The mighty malunggay. In the garden or by the road, the mighty malunggay stands so tall. Its green leaves grow so fast and fresh, and they have never seemed to fall. How does it grow so strong and bright through winds and rains so wild? Why does it stand with strength and grace, like a guardian, soft yet mild? Its small leaves make us strong and healthy, and mothers love the taste. The tree gives food every single day, so nothing ever go to waste. How does it offer such great help, and what wonders that it hold? Where does it find the strength to grow so fast, strong, yet untold? The flowers bloom with color pure, and bees come buzzing near. How do they find the tree so sweet? And why do they stay here? The trees sway gently in the breeze, yet never falls to the ground. What more can this tree do for us? And what gifts will we find? Developing understanding of the key idea stem. At this point, let us see if you really understood the text. Try to answer the following question. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Lola Carla's big malunggay tree is sick. Yellow spots grew on it and leaves fell off. Lola Carla is sad. The tree gives food to everyone. A plant doctor is coming soon. Try to answer the following question. Making generalization and abstraction. Before we end our lesson, let's think about this. Here is the possible answer. Today, I have learned that trees give us food, shade, shelter, and help us live. I find it difficult to explain how trees help the air, but I was able to understand why we must take care of them. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each sentence and choose the best possible outcome. Here is the correct answer. For remediation or homework, go back to the narrative poem we have discussed. Think of a tree or a plant that can be used to replace the malunggay tree and retell the poem in your own words. Make the necessary changes to the words used to make it suited to the tree or plant you have chosen. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!